James, ano? James! Game na, nakaset up na ako dito, oh. James! Ba yan? Hey guys, so it's me again, Jenny Lori, and welcome to my channel. Wala pa! So, this is my 5th video para sa aking pa-12 days before Christmas. And magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng another challenge. And may makakasama na naman tayo. And ang makakasama natin, wait lang kasi ipapakilala nga kita. So, ang makakasama natin ngayon sa aking video, walang iba kundi ang aking kapatid na kanina pa silip ng silip. Sige na, pumasok ka na. Pasok na!
Ay, ibang tong channel to.
Hindi yun. Hindi.
Ano bang pangalan ng mga viewers mo?
Wala pa akong matawag kasi wala akong maisip. Okay? So, anyways, for today's video, guys, napagkasunduan namin ng kapatid ko na gagawa kami ng makeup challenge. So, ayan, siguro may idea na kayo. My brother does my makeup. So, siya muna yung make-upan niya muna ako. Pero, eto guys, may make-upan ko din siya, pero ako muna yung make-upan niya. So, di ko siya tuturuan kung paano niya ako may make-upan. Siya na bahala kung
paano ba mag-makeup.
Wala akong sasabihin na kahit na ano. Nag-aral nga kayo nun sa TLE nyo eh.
Hindi talaga marunong mag-makeup kahit wala akong idea.
Nag-aral kayo sa TLE nyo nun, kaya wag kang ano dyan. So, ayan, hubad muna ako ng makeup ko. Kasi may makeup pa ako, galing to kanina. So, wait lang guys. Yan na, patapos na ako.
Tagal yung...
Eh kasi nga may makeup nga. So yan, nakahubad na ako ng makeup and sisimulan na namin ang aming pag-makeup. So bahala na ang aking kapatid kung paano niya. Huwag mo na i-zoom in yung mga pimples ko nakikita. Yan, babe.
Paano ba to?
Wala akong sasabihin. Wala akong re-react or something.
Gagayanin ko yung mga girl.
Like, yung mga, ingatan mo yung mga brush ko, Juan.
So, about today, we're about to do some makeup challenge with my sister. First, this, the liquid. Ba't kaya nila ginagunan nila? Ginaganyan nila.
Ganon.
Paano ba? Ganon?
Ganon.
Ah, ganon. Ba't ganon?
Para mag-focus.
Oh, di nga nagpo-focus. So, we are going to apply this manually. Yes. To put that, you need to press 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put here. And your face is so bad. My hands touching it. After that, we're going to mix it. Use our bare hands. Oh!
May bra!
Asan ba yung ano dito?
Hindi ko na sasabihin.
Yung mixer ba yun? Beauty blender. The beauty blender. It's like some, like a, meatloaf. Like,
aray ko!
Oh my god. And after that, your hands is dirty, so put it yourself.
Hindi ba maayos eh?
Next, we need to...
Ando na siya mag-isip.
What is this? Ow! I know what's next. I think
tapos
it's...
na yun?
Yes.
Tignan mo, tapos na talaga.
Hindi ko pa tapos. You need to finish. I'm pressure right now, so I don't think I'm finished na. So we're having a 3-minute makeup with me, James Yumang. So after that,
ano yan?
Concealer.
Concealer?
I think concealer.
Tignan yung kulay.
This is for you. Wait, the 2 types of concealer. This is the light concealer, the dark concealer.
Oh, anong kulay?
So the light concealer first. So he's white. So she is white. So I will going to put some.
Ito pinakamay.
Ay. Remember guys, don't waste makeup because makeup makes mother angry. So if you got something wrong, put it to yourself. So yes.
Sayang yung makeup ko. Pili ko pala yung
yeah. After that, oh, there's a brush here. So pagkakalam ko concealer, this is for cheekbone.
Cheekbone?
diba? I'll put it here. Cheekbone. To make your cheekbone very big.
Ano po yung kinokonsi bakit cheekbone? Ano ba meron sa cheekbone?
So, again, we are going to use the beauty blender, the Miklo. After that, you will mix again with the foundation. And after that, yes, as you can see, the face of my sister is so beautiful right now. You see, there's no pimple because I already put some makeup in the holes. So after that, I'm going to blend myself. Yes, I'm so beautiful right now. So next, I think it's time to.
Oh, ano yan?
What is this?
Lipstick.
Super Stay Matte Ink. Lipstick. No, I watched some videos in Facebook and I see. Where's the lip tint here?
But lip tint na!
I will going to put lip tint here like my classmate do always. They always put lip tint in here and my advisor always
What?
angry at them. Where's the lip tint? Is this the lip tint? What is Etude House? Lipstick again. Ultra deep color again. You have so many lipstick, but you will going to put one there.
One there. Aba yan! Ang natutuklawin na eh. Ulit-ulit ka na lang inahawakan.
Yun! This is the Tony tint. Tony.
Pwede wag na lang lip tint. Baka di mawala sa pisngi ko eh.
So after that, we're going to put the contour kit. Yeah, so there's no reaction, so I'm right. So choose different color there. And I don't think, what do you want? The chocolate one, the light one. I will going to this.
Tawa ko din nilalagay mo sa pisngi.
This.
Okay.
So
What's
in
that?
contour. So in going to put contour, there's different kinds of stroke. The side stroke, up and down stroke, and the cross stroke. That is very important because there needs some basta English.
Ay, talaga English.
Ganun kaya kapag mga girl
Kaya ba yun?
I don't think so. Kasi matakot ka kapag yung kapatid mo marunong mag-makeup. So shout out sa mga kapatid dyan na lalaki. Kasi kapag marunong mag-makeup yung kapatid mo, matakot ka na kasi.
Marunong ka kaya? Ewan ko may ginagawa mo, tinuruan kayo ng grade 9 kayo
Iba yung itsura ng mga parang so professional way na eh. So after that, we're going to mix some dark color. This kind of makeup is for Halloween even it's already Christmas. Cute to. Kaya meron ka
Dapat
ng...
ayoko makita yung sarili
Dapat meron ka rin dito para meron ka ng color. Oh, you're so... Oh! If I were a boy, I would go with so very in love too.
Bakit ba ka?
I'm jealous.
Ano ba
Next.
yan? Mukha na akong taong grasa.
No, you're in the eyes of men, you're so beautiful.
Many men?
Yes. Yeah. Pangit mo. I think I already know what's going to do. This is the beauty creation. Tease me. There's so
ingatan mo yan ah.
There's so
Talaga,
many.
Tap-tap lang, tap-tap.
Many different flavors like lies, blissful, pleasure. So, to want your boyfriend, you want you to look beautiful to your boyfriend, put some sexy. And where are going to put this? Here. Oh my God. Meron tayo. Ayan, yan. Oh, papatangos yan ng ilong. Di ba tumangos ka ilong mo? Galing. Galing nga, tawagos yung ilong mo.
My God.
Oh, ganda mo na. Lagyan natin ng fire. Put some here. And look at that! Wow! Kung mga next natin, dito na tayo sa ink pen, tattoo bro. Ang hirap nito ha. Kilay tayo. Tuturuan ko kayo. So sa mga girls na hindi marunong magkilay, tuturuan ko kayo magkilay. So the proper way of put some kilay is, first, you need to line the kilay. After that, more kilay, more beautiful. Yay! This is so beautiful. Pantay yan ha, pantay! Do you see that? So after that, we're going to put some waterproof ground ink eyeliner. Very expert this. In putting eyeliner, isipin nyo na nagsusulat lang kayo sa isang papel. Papakita natin yung itsura ng beautiful art. Ariranda! The eyes is so fierce, Catriona Gray. I'm Catriona Gray. Representing the island of the island Philippines. Ayun ko na next natin nilalagay. This, mascara. Look up. Di ba up yun? Di ka pala up na. Yeah. Wow. What a beautiful creation. My masterpiece. After that, I need to put some lipstick. Christmas today, so I'm going to put
Anong tatak?
Careline.
Not sponsor.
Sponsor. Sponsor ako Careline. Pwede ako maging model. Careline. I'm putting some lipstick.
Ano color yan, din?
Green. This is Christmas, so we're going to make some reindeer. Mukha ng reindeer. Green ba to?
Mahal, basahin mo kasi.
Bakit pink?
Magic lipstick yan eh.
Ooh! Oh, Careline, so amazing! Careline. Gusto ko yung amazing yung color. Ito tayo. Kylie Jenner.
Sarado po.
This is Wet and Wild.
Sarado pa.
Wet and Wild Roar. Dito muna tayo. Vice Cosmetics. Game, protein some lipstick. You know, kapag lipstick...
Ano? Paano gagawin mo?
Wait, you need to say Ano naman nangyayari? Bakit ang lipstick? Tab. Bad breath?
Maniwala sa'yo. Nag-toothbrush ako. Alam mo eh.
Amoy kahapon. Bad breath. Bala ka dyan.
Hindi na.
Amoy sa video. Grabe. Dapat always fresh.
Asa yung paamoy. Hindi tayo sponsor.
Oh. Guys, do you know Pennywise? Meg and
Matte lipstick.
Oh! It's so beautiful. And the finalization. Yeah. You need some exposure. Okay.
Oh shit, James, tignan mo. Nakita mo ba yung nangyari doon sa makeup ko? Ano ba yan?
Di ko alam.
Ba't na nilalagyan?
Basta, ano daw, eye and cheek collection. Ayos nga eh.
Ipa mo. Tignan niya, grabe.
So, if you want some makeup tutorial, do you see? I need a montage.
Ching ching pa ching ching pu ching ching pa ching chang ching 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 chang ching chong ha miranda. Ang pangit ng kapatid ko, nakakainis.
Ganda niya oh. Pwede pang wallpaper oh. 1, 2, 3, picture. Wala na.
Nakita niyo naman kung paano ko pinaglaruan ng kapatid ko.
Hindi yan pinaglaruan.
Tignan niyo
That's
naman yung
beautiful
ginawa.
creation.
Tignan niyo naman. Zoom in natin. Tignan niyo. Mata.
Panalo eh. No?
Di tignan mo yung kilay.
Panalo eh. No?
Kayo na magsabi. Meron pa dito, ano to, pimple ko, pumutok!
Ganun talaga. Oh, Gawin mo kami in love.
Ay! Si Daddy! Daddy, tignan mo ginawa sa akin ni James, oh! So, ayan na guys. Tapos na yung ginawang pagmumuhasan ng kapatid ko.
Bye-bye.
Kayo na magsabi kung anong masasabi nyo sa hoy, hindi pa tayo tapos. Ikaw pa naman may make-upan ko. Madaya ka. So, ayan guys. Kayo na magsabi kung ano masasabi nyo sa paggawa ng kapatid ko dito sa pagmumukha ko. I-like nyo yung video to kung di kayo nagandahan. Tapos, i-comment nyo pag nagandahan ka.
Hindi.
Ayan na,
Dislike
baliktad.
nyo.
Hindi! I-like pagka hindi nagandahan. Mag-comment pag nagandahan. So, that's it guys. Abangan nyo sa next na video. Siya naman yung may make-upan ko. So, that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget Ba't kasi naka-zoom eh?
Gusto ko ng ano yung Huggy Bunny ba yan? Huggy Bunny.
Ano, Huggy Bunny? Chubby Bunny. Gusto niya mag-Chubby Bunny. Napakagasgas na ng larong yun. So, yun na nga. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button down below. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe me and on yun na the notification bell para lagi kayong updated if I have new videos. So, yun. Always remember that you are beautiful no matter what.
Yes, I'm beautiful. Yeah!
Bye! James kasi.
Care lang.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye na.